Hey guys, it's Sunday and today we are decorating the house. So we got our tree. We decided to go with a flocked tree. It just looks snowy. I'm gonna decorate it now.
Cold. In order for it to stay snowy, it has to be really cold in here.
Such an idiot. Hopefully the lights work because we got green cords for the lights. Hopefully you can't see them too much. We'll see. This is what the tree looks like during the day. I'm waiting for the tree skirt, which gets here in a couple of days. It's just gonna be like a plain white tree skirt. I just put a couple of little branches at the top. Almost everything on this tree is from a place called the Christmas Palace here in Miami. They have a bunch of cool stuff, so I got almost everything on here from there besides the little silver ornaments, which I've had. I had these and I just used the flocking spray to kind of like give it a frozen look and put it all white. I had this, which I got from Target, I think last year or the year before. I had the little frosted pine cones, which are somewhere in here. Oh yeah, right there. And the white ornaments, but pretty much everything else. Oh, that one's also from Target. But these are from the Christmas Palace. And pretty much everything else. I just got a real Christmas tree, and then they had somebody there that was flocking it already. And then like in certain areas that I thought needed a little bit more flocking, like up there to sort of blend the trunk of the tree with everything that's going on up there, I just used this spray, which I also got from the Christmas Palace, but they have these everywhere. I think you could get these on Amazon. They have them in a bunch of places, but it would have taken forever and so many cans of this to get the tree looking like this. And these cords were green. I don't know if I mentioned that they were green, but in the areas where you can see them a lot, I used the spray and frosted it so that it just like blends in seamlessly. And I really love these little birds too. I really love these big ones, but if you just touch it, it like throws glitter all over the place. So I vacuumed the crap out of the floor, should I say my Roomba back here. Vacuumed the crap out of my floor. It's been putting in work. I need to charge it. Look at these guys. She loves sunbathing. We got this guy over here. We're back again. Get me out of here before I spend all my money. Got these little dried stems from Hobby Lobby. I don't know what they're called. White sola stems. I don't know. This is it. I bought them for Thanksgiving, like to set up the table, but I'm gonna use them in my vases for now. This is what it looks like. They're like super dainty. I got this kind of like realistic looking cedar wreath, and I'm going to flock it so that it goes with the winter wonderland theme that I have going on. So we'll see how it turns out. Dexter's toy, of course. Finished filming. Woke up very early to finish my gift guide. That went up today. If you haven't seen it, check it out. I put a lot of time into that video. So I know that I haven't really updated you guys on what's going on, but we are hosting Thanksgiving this year and we're fixing up the backyard a little bit. So during the summer when the hurricane was supposed to come, it never came, but we took down the umbrella that we had before, and it was actually stuck to the table that we had before, so it broke. So we don't have outdoor furniture, so I got a new set. I ordered a rug for the backyard that's gonna go underneath the little conversation area. I got a couple of plants, which I think I showed you guys, I'm not sure. I need to find planters for them. The backyard is currently our little project, and Roger finally painted the side wall that desperately has needed to be painted since we like moved in. But yes, I think I already updated you guys on the tree. I will be doing a full Christmas decor video once I finish decorating. I'm just decorating little by little. I don't put up a lot of decorations, but you guys like those videos, so I'll probably film one with the like 5 things that I put up for Christmas. Currently eating breakfast, gonna go do my eyebrows. Roger needs to take me because my car gave up on me yesterday. I think it's about time I need to get like a new car. It's really giving me a lot of problems. On today's agenda, gotta clean this house big time. It is a mess. Before we just got the furniture in, it's right there. We have to build it.
The fun part.
Yeah, we got a helicopter. It's great. We need to pot these guys in there and eventually get pots for these. This is what we have so far. We put the furniture, this is the furniture we got on Wayfair, planted these little guys. I have to add more dirt to it. Roger's gonna pressure wash, putting lights above the little seating area. We're getting there. Oh, and he took out the rug because he's gonna pressure wash. This is what it looks like at night. I still have to take the covers off the cushions, but I'll do that tomorrow. Dexter with his new sweater. just this dress, which is from Ghani. You can tie a bunch of different ways. It looks wrinkled, but it's actually like that. These stockings that I'm testing out, they were sent to me by a company called Sheertex, I think it is, and supposedly they're unbreakable, so we shall see. And then my Stuart Weitzman sock boots. And just slicked my hair up in a bun, wearing NARS lipstick. I'll put it down below. And these earrings are actually from Amazon, which I bought a while ago to wear to like the beach and stuff, but I actually really like them, so I wear them all the time. That is all. Came to look at the sailboat. Look at this little sailboat, how cute it is.
Imagine someone been over like 100
So cute.